Hello, this is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Thank you for joining. I am ready to stimulate your brain, excite your brain. Hopefully, you're ready too. This is going to be physics lesson number 14, and we're going to analyze a vector in second quadrant. So, in my last lecture, I drew a vector in first quadrant and then we examined it, and it was an angle 45. So, if you need to take a screenshot of that, feel free to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and erase that, and we will look at a vector in second quadrant. Okay. So, let's see. I've already went over quadrants. So, let's go ahead and draw a vector in second quadrant. So, this is my graph. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Okay, and what I do is that this is the vector right here. Let me draw it in red. So this is my vector right here. Okay, actually let me make it a little more accurate. So let's say we have a vector like this. All right, right here, and this angle right here is 120 degrees. Okay, you always measure angle with respect to x, as I've already told you. So you've got x-axis, you've got y-axis, and then we drew a vector which we can call, I don't know, maybe z. Oh no, let's call it b, vector b. Okay, and the length of this vector is 7 meters. Okay, when I say length, I mean the magnitude of this vector is 7, and this is the direction it's going. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to find the x component and we need to find the y component. So if you are pointing a laser gun from right here, you'll see the shadow of this on x-axis right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to find b of x and we're going to find b of y. All right. So let's do that. So let's go ahead and bx, as I've already gone through. This is going to be basically cosine of 120 degrees multiplied by 7. All right, because cosine is basically base over hypotenuse, and then you do the algebra and you come up with bx, the vertical component, the horizontal component. So then I solve this, I get bx is equal to cosine of 120 is negative 0.5 times 7. And when you multiply that, you get negative 3.5. And that makes sense. If you look at the vector, this vector is in the second quadrant, okay? And it's basically going towards the, this way. So then obviously you're going to have your horizontal component going this way, and your vertical component is going to go this way. So what's the vertical? The sign on the vertical component is going to be positive. Let's see if we get positive on that. So then I do b of y is equal to sine of 120 degrees times 7. B of y, what is sine of 120 degrees? Sine of 120 degrees 0.866 times multiplied by 7, and the answer is 6.06. All right. So then we have horizontal component negative 3.5 because you're going in this direction. And then the vertical component is going to be 6.06 because it's going up. All right. So now what we have to do is basically what I'm saying is that, if you want, what I'm saying in layman terms is that this is your point of origin, right? This is your point of origin. What I'm saying is then go left, okay, 3.5 meter, and then go up 6.06 meters. So that is what I'm saying in layman's term. Okay, go left and then go up. Now, if you want to verify, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem, which is c square, which is the hypotenuse, and then a square plus b square. C in this case is the magnitude of the vector, which is 7 square. And then we've got negative 3.5 square plus 6.06 square. 7 square is 49. And then this is 12.25. All right, plus 36.72. So 49 is almost same as what we get on the right hand side. So I proved it to you that basically the lengths we calculated, the vertical and the horizontal component, they are basically verified through Pythagoras theorem. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and we're going to do another quadrant. Thank you. Stick by and hopefully we'll make progress. Take care.